Hi everyone, before I start today's video I just wanted to say a big thank you to the response that I've had from you all. I'm so grateful of it. Also, you can follow me now on Instagram and it's cute nerdy DIY, all one word, and on there basically you can see different things such as behind the scenes footage, and I'll do some kind of previews of the stuff coming onto the channel. Lastly, I've decided to do a giveaway at 500 subscribers because I love you all so much. But yeah, that's about all I wanted to say, so let's get on with the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cute Nerdy DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So this collection involves all the squishies I've made, so some of them are just DIY squishies and others are DIY squishy makeovers that I've done. Now all these videos are on my channel if you want to go watch them, the links are in the description. So the first one is my strawberry sponge makeover. Now this was made using a £1 Primark sponge, and as you can see it's kind of a little chocolate drizzled strawberry, and this was made using PVA glue, acrylic paint and shaving foam. So this was originally a pineapple and I decided to turn it into a strawberry. The second squishy is my orange sponge makeover. Now this one was also a sponge from Primark. This was actually a watermelon. Now I decided to turn it into an orange instead just to see a more extreme transformation, and as you can see it squishes really well. So I did cut the cord off and you can see there's kind of a little hole where that was. But yeah, this one turned out really well. So number 3 is my memory foam Kawaii cat squishy. Now this one was made as a comparison without using any Mod Podge. Now Mod Podge I had used on the Molang Squishy, which you'll see in a second, and this one was without to compare. So number 4 is the paper cat squishy. Now this was the first and only paper squishy I've ever made. I thought I'd give it a go and it turned out quite well. I did fill it up with some toy stuffing, which is how it got its squishiness, but I think this was a really cool 5-minute squishy that you can make basically at any time of day. Number 5 is my Molang Squishy. So this was also made with memory foam, but like I said, this one was made with Mod Podge. So I thought this one was super cute, and none of these are made using puffy paint, but I thought it was really cute. It's got a cute little face on the front and it was quite a simple shape to make, and I did a little tail on the back, and yeah, it squished really well. So number 6 was another squishy makeover. Now this was the Rilakkuma bear. It was originally a panda, which you can see here. Now I was really happy with this one. It does have a kind of keychain bit on the top, which I've left on so I can keep it as a little addition to maybe a kind of bag, so you could use it as a school bag or something like that. So number 7 is my Avocado squishy pencil topper. So this one was made as a kind of little back to school video. As I said, you can find all the links in the description. Now this was made simply by getting a bit of sponge. I think I might have used memory foam, but sponge will work as well. And basically painting it on and then sticking it onto a pencil. For this you can make whatever design you like, it's completely up to you. Number 8 is my Starbucks unicorn makeover. Now I absolutely loved the way this one turned out. It was probably one of the most difficult ones I've done because I was so scared of ruining it. Now the main part of it was the actual little Starbucks lady on the front. It was so difficult to try and get all the white on properly, but in the end I was really happy with how it turned out. And number 9 is my Hello Kitty makeover. So this is one of the most recent ones I've done. Underneath this is a orange cat, which you can see. And I decided to change the fish into a donut. Now this worked surprisingly well. It looks a bit more glazy than the other ones, and I think that's because I just used normal paint to paint on the blue. I can't remember if I did, I think I might have done that though. And yeah, I just thought this was super cute and I really liked the way it transformed. So number 10 is my Kawaii mushroom makeover. Now this is one of the most recent ones I've done. This is actually in Friday's video, so if you want to watch that then go ahead if you haven't seen it yet. This is definitely one of the cutest little makeovers I've done. I can't get over how well his little face turned out, but I'm so happy because he looked so sad before, so it's so nice to see him looking new and fresh and so super happy. And finally, in number 11, I had to leave the best till last, so this is my Studio Ghibli Totoro makeover. Now this one has been received so well by everyone, so thank you so much for the response to this one. It's definitely my favourite out of all the ones I've made, and I really couldn't be happier with how it turned out. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit different, but it's really cool to look back over all the things I've made. If you want to see more of the squishy makeovers and DIYs that I do in the future, then please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.